Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can use view binding in our Android app. So first of all, I will show you how we can initialize our views without view binding. So here in my main activity, as you can see here, I have a text view and I have a button. So to initialize this, I have to create a button variable here, btn, and a text view. I will name it text view. Okay, and I will use the findViewById to initialize these views. Okay, so text view is equal to findViewById or .id text view. Okay, so without view binding, we initialize our views like this. We create variables. It's up to you if you want to create a global variable or a local variable, but I made a global here. So the point is to show you that when we are not using view binding in our Android project, so we have to initialize the views by using their ID and using the findViewById. So now I will show you how we can use view binding in our Android app. So to add a view binding in your Android project, go to your build.gradle, and here inside the Android curly braces, simply type build and build features. Okay, and here type view binding true. So the view binding for this Android project is now enabled. Okay, click sync now, and now if we check it here, activity main binding. Okay, so to use the binding or to create a binding variable, you have to write the XML file name in starting with upper cases. Okay, as I have activity main, so I will, or you can write your Java file name on reverse. As you know, here we have main activity, so you can write activity main binding, and I will call it binding, and here I will initialize it by using binding is equal to activity main binding dot inflate, and I will add get layout inflator here. Okay, and in a set content view we can pass binding dot get root. Okay, so it will get the root layout of our activity main dot xml. Okay, so now what I will do in this example, I will add a click listener to this button, and I will change this text accordingly on the button click. Okay, so to access our view, we don't have any need of findViewById when we are using the view binding. Okay, so we will just type binding dot, as you can see here we have the IDs of our button and text view. So I will add a click listener to this button, so I will simply set on click listener, and when this button is clicked, I will change the text of text view. Okay, so to change the text, I will simply call binding dot text view dot set text hello view binding. Okay, so now I will run this application. Okay, now when I click this button, the text is changing. Okay, so this is the benefit of view binding. We have this boilerplate code, and if we are doing it manually, so first we have to initialize our button and then text view, and then we will set a click listener on this button, and then after initializing the text view and the button, we can add the logics here. So with the help of ViewBinding, we don't need the findViewById, we just simply call the binding.id, and this is, if I press Ctrl and click on button, so this is our button ID. If I change this to btn change, then we will have an error in our main activity. As you can see here, our ID changed in XML, so I will change it to btn change. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and if you like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content.